I do releases with the massage ball against the wall, and this release really helps to desensitize overactive muscles, and it's just going to help inhibit the piriformis if it is overactive. The other thing is it just helps to kind of release any tightness in the area. So I do this against the wall. You can do it lying down, but I do prefer to do it standing because you can control the pressure that way, and you can just press more when you need to and release when you need to, versus on the ground where all your weight is on you, is on that ball. So I kind of just work outside of that area inwards, just kind of massage gently, and I do no more than a minute to 2 minute max. You don't want to be overdoing it. And you can do this twice a day. In terms of releases, I don't usually release the glutes, as in sitting on the foam roller, mainly because for me personally, it just always made the pain worse. I do prefer the massage ball, but test it and see how your body responds to that. What I usually like to do is just placing the foam roller behind my back, and I just go release the thoracic area and the upper back, and I release the lats. So try to aim more towards that latissimus dorsi area, which really tightens up. And when it tightens up, it pulls the hips forward into that anterior pelvic tilt. So we can also exacerbate piriformis pain. Another thing that works is placing the foam roller underneath your hamstrings, kind of towards the outer area of your hamstring. So you would have your leg pointed out instead of forward, like this. And then you can roll up and down. And then when you find a tender spot, you just want to pause there for a few seconds. And then you do the other side, of course. And then I also release the quads when I'm doing these releases.